If you've been hearing about triple whale pero wala ka talagang idea kung saan magsisimula, then this video is for you. Whether brand new ka sa platform or sinusubukan mo lang intindihin yung dashboard mo, I'm gonna walk you through everything you need to know step by step. Now, what's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunter. Nandito sa channel na to, nagbibigay kami ng real practical strategies na talagang nakakatulong para mag-grow ka. And today, we're diving into triple whale. What it is, how to set it up, and how to actually use it to make smarter decisions for your e-com brand. We'll cover everything from tracking your ROAS and LTV to customizing your dashboard and analyzing ad performance nang hindi ka nalulunod sa data. So if you've been wondering how to get the most out of triple whale, then stick around and let's get into it. Overview of triple whale. So, Triple Whale is a data platform built for e-commerce businesses para tulungan kang i-track yung key metrics, i-manage yung ad performance at makakuha ng insights about your customers. Kung nag-run ka ng paid media sa platforms like Facebook, Google, or TikTok, si Triple Whale brings all the data together para makagawa ka ng informed decisions based on actual results. Maraming e-commerce brands ang sobrang natutulungan nito, especially pagdating sa attribution tracking at pag-intindi ng true return on ad spend nila. Getting started, the dashboard. Now, if you want to get started with Triple Whale, meron tayong link sa description para makapag-start kayo and follow along. Pag naka-login ka na sa Triple Whale, magsisimula ka sa summary page. Ito yung main dashboard mo, yung home base. Dito makikita mo yung bird's eye view ng performance ng store mo across different metrics. Sa summary page na to, makikita mo yung total sales and ad spend figures, customer acquisition costs, at high-level views on revenue and profitability. Completely customizable tong page na to, so pwede mong iset up para ipakita yung metrics na pinaka-importante sa'yo. Pwede mo ring i-arrange yung mga sections and tiles however you like para mas bagay sa workflow mo. Think of this as your control center para makita agad yung health ng business mo at a quick glance. So taking a look at the dashboard here, as you can see, kaka-connect ko lang dito sa brand new Shopify Store. So wala pang actual data sa loob. Pero may papakita ko pa rin sa inyo kung saan may kita lahat using this example. So dito sa top, meron tayong pinned items. Ganito siya nakasetup by default ni Triple Whale. And again, pwede mo itong i-customize kahit kailan. Pwede akong pumunta dito and unpin ads kung ayaw ko siyang makita or unpin row ads kung ayaw ko rin makita. Tapos, pwede rin tayong mag-click dito sa settings and either i-hide yung section, i-customize siya, or mag-switch to table mode. Down here, meron tayong section for custom metrics. Right now, meron tayong net profit, ROAS, me, net margin, ads, and NC ROAS. And pag nag-scroll down pa tayo ng konti, makakakita tayo ng web analytics about our website, like conversion rates, users, sessions, pages per session, session duration, bounce rate, new users, mga ganong stuff. And below that, meron tayong store and expenses. So again, this is a really good bird's eye view ng business mo. Key metrics to track. So, organize your Triple Whale yung metrics into what they call lean-in metrics and lead-out metrics. Yung lean-in metrics, nagbibigay ng insight into your current performance. Habang yung lead-out metrics, tumutulong para maintindihan mo yung longer-term trends. And here are some key metrics na kailangan mong malaman. Total sales over ad spend, me. So yung me or ecosystem ROAS mo is a high-level view of how your ad spend is converting into sales. Critical number to kasi sinasabi niya kung gaano ka-efficient yung spending mo. For example, kung gusto mong gumawa ng $100,000 in sales at ang budget mo lang is $10,000, then mag-aim ka for an ME of 10. Anything below that means overspending ka, habang anything higher shows room to scale. Next up is new customer ROAS. And this shows kung gaano karaming new customer revenue yung na-generate mo for every dollar of ad spent. Unlike general ROAS na kasama both new and returning customers, itong metric na to is purely focused on new customer acquisition. Parang canary on a coal mine siya for measuring kung gaano ka-effective yung pagplant mo ng seeds for future growth. Finally, gross profit over ad spend focuses on profitability. Sinasabi nito kung for each dollar spent on ads, magkano talaga yung profit na pumapasok after costs. Super valuable ng metric na to para maintindihan kung yung campaigns ay nagdadrive ng high margin sales or low margin products na baka kailangan nang i-adjust. Customizing your dashboard. So, like I mentioned earlier, Pwede mong i-customize yung dashboard sections mo based on your unique preferences. Each section, like Shopify metrics, paid media performance, or customer mix, gives you flexibility kung paano mo gustong makita yung data mo. Pwede mong ipin yung specific metrics para lagi silang visible, and pwede ka rin mag-setup ng quick access reporting for instant updates. For example, kung may client or manager na kailangan ng report, pwede mong i-click yung pinned metrics mo and share a link na pwede nilang i-open kahit walang login. This feature keeps your workflow seamless and efficient. Attribution tracking with Triple Whale Pixel. Now, one of Triple Whale's standout features is its Triple Pixel. It's a tool for tracking kung saan nanggagaling yung sales mo. This pixel goes beyond standard platform data by giving a more accurate picture of your sales funnel and conversions across platforms. Setting up the pixel. First, i-make sure mo na tama yung setup ng pixel mo. So, pupunta tayo sa pixel settings para i-double check na everything is in place. Pag nakasetup na siya, yung triple pixel allows you to monitor each touchpoint sa customer journey. Whether i-click siya sa Google ad or view ng Facebook ad. Attribution models. Triple Whale offers different attribution models para sa needs mo. First click gives credit to the first touch point na na-encounter ng customer. Last click gives credit to the last touch point before the purchase. Fractional attribution spreads credit across multiple touch points. Para mas simple, try starting with triple attribution only para hindi ma-inflate yung conversions from views alone. Creative dashboard tracking ad performance. Ngayon, tignan natin yung creative dashboard. Isa pa to sa mga super useful na features sa Triple Whale. Yung dashboard na to, tungkol talaga siya sa pag-optimize ng ad creatives mo gamit yung mga performance metrics like ad spend, ROAS, at customer acquisition cost ng bawat ad gamit yung filters at segments. Sa creative dashboard, pwede mo i-filter based on ad spend or performance metrics. Kunwari, gusto mong makita kung paano nagpa-perform yung ads per campaign. Pwedeng i-filter by spend or by custom tags para makita mo kung alin yung ads na talagang nagda-drive ng conversions. Yung segmentation feature ni Triple Whale, ayan, pwede mong isort yung ads based sa criteria like prospecting or retargeting. Kaya makita mo agad kung aling ads yung may pinakamagandang results per page, pati yung thumbnail ratios at spend thresholds. Tapos, para sa video ads, pwede mo ring i-check yung metrics like thumb stop ratio. Basically, ganito kadalas nagpo-post yung viewers sa specific na video. Bigyan ka nito ng idea kung ano talaga yung nakakuha ng attention. Pwede ka ring mag-set ng spend threshold para yung lalabas lang na ads ay yung may certain amount of spend. Kaya mas makaka-focus ka sa pinaka-impactful na content. Customer Insights and Product Journeys. Ngayon, lipat naman tayo sa Customer Insights. Yung customer analysis tools ng Triple Whale ay parang bintana para makita mo yung behavior ng customers. Kasama na dito yung average order value, lifetime value, at product journeys nila. Mean, Median, and Mode AOV. Sa Triple Whale, meron kang tatlong version ng AOV data. Mean, Median, and Mode. Yung mean AOV, ito yung simpleng average. Yung medium naman, ito yung middle value sa dataset mo. Kaya mas accurate siya lalo na kapag skewed yung data. Yung mode, ito yung value na pinakamaraming lumalabas. Useful siya para makita mo kung anong typical order size lalo na sa prospecting campaigns. Product Journey Tracking. Sa Product Journey tool ng Triple Whale, gumagamit sila ng Sunny diagram para i-track yung first, second, and third purchases, showing kung alin yung mga products na popular in sequence. Ayan, may kita mo dito, hindi lang kung ano yung pinaka-popular na products para sa new customers, pero pati kung gaano sila ka-likely na bumalik at bumili ulit. Look for the fat line sa diagram para makita mo yung strongest product sa journey mo. Next, punta naman tayo sa sales cycle analysis at lifetime value tracking. Yung sales cycle tool, pinapakita sa'yo yung average time between orders, which is helpful para ma-optimize mo yung retargeting efforts at email cadences. 60 and 90-day LTV, yung LTV metrics ng Triple Whale nagbibigay sa'yo ng rolling view kung gaano ka-valuable bawat customer. Makita mo yung 60-day at 90-day LTV para mag-gauge kung magkano ginagastos ng isang customer sa mga time frames na yon. Super helpful to para mag-set ng acquisition goals kasi pinapakita nito kung gaano karaming revenue yung pwede mong i-expect shortly after acquisition. Kapag kinompare mo itong figures with your ad spend, magkakaroon ka ng sense kung high value ba yung customers na na-attract mo. At kapag may upward trend, ibig sabihin nun yung campaigns mo nagdadala ng customers na mas nagiging valuable over time. Advanced analysis with cohorts. Yung cohort analysis, pwedeng mag-sound na complex pero powerful siya once makuha mo yung flow. Sa Triple Whale, yung cohort nag-group ng customers based sa month na first silang nag-purchase para matrack mo yung spending nila over time. Cohort metrics. Ilang helpful metrics dito ay yung new customer CPA na tinatrack yung cost per acquisition for each cohort. Yung LTV over time naman, pinapakita yung value ng customer habang tumataas siya month by month. Kunwari, kung yung February cohort may mas mataas na LTV kaysa previous months, strong signal yon para mag-increase ka ng acquisition spend para sa similar customers. It also helps you makita yung seasonal trends at ma-adjust mo yung ad budgets accordingly. Forecasting goals and pacing. Meron ding forecasting tools and goals feature si Triple Whale para matulungan kang i-plan yung budget mo at i-track yung progress. With forecasting, pwede mong i-simulate kung paano maapektuhan yung bottom line mo kapag nagbago yung conversion rates or average order value. So kunwari, kailangan mong ma-hit yung certain ad spend or revenue target. Pwede mo siyang iset sa goals mo at ipapakita ni Triple Whale kung gaano ka na kalapit doon. Breaking it down into daily spending targets, attribution tool, and customer journeys. Finally, let's dive into the attribution tool. Dito pwede mong i-track yung journey ng bawat customer across multiple platforms. Pinapakita ng tool na to lahat ng touchpoints na na-encounter ng customer at kung paano nagko-contribute ang bawat isa sa sale from Facebook to Google Ads hanggang Klaviyo emails. Aggregated customer journeys. Itong feature na to nagbibigay sa'yo ng view ng customer journeys in aggregate. Pero para makita mo yung pinaka-common na paths na tinitake ng people bago sila mag-purchase, pwede kang pumili ng kahit anong touchpoint at i-track siya through the customer journey para ma-check mo kung nakakatulong ba talaga siya sa conversion rate mo. For example, makita mo minsan na yung mga tao na unang nakakita ng product sa Google ay bumabalik through Facebook para gumawa ng purchase. Yung insight na yan, pwedeng makatulong sa pag-allocate mo ng budgets per channel. So that wraps up the complete beginner's guide to using Triple Whale. With its powerful dashboards, customizable metrics, and detailed customer insights, Triple Whale can be a game changer for your e-commerce strategy. Now remember, it may take some time to set everything up and get comfortable, but the insights and data are well worth it. Now, if you want to get started with Triple Whale or any other products that we recommended for your e-commerce journey, be sure to click the links down the description. Affiliate links yung mga yan. Ibig sabihin, nag-earn kami ng small commission kapag ginamit niya sila at no extra cost sa'yo. At itong mga commission na to ay nakaka-support sa ating channel para makagawa pa kami ng free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang future videos. Here on the channel, we are dedicated to help you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. Pero other than that, thank you so much for watching and takits tayo sa next video.